Okay, so here we are, putting together the last block of the month. I am making our block of the month for, what is this? Oh, the United States, where I live. Gee, it would be nice if I could remember where I was at, right? And all we're doing is we're putting in our scan and cut pieces. This is where I have appliqued them. And I'm just putting them down right now so that we can go ahead and let me think before I talk. All right, so I'm putting down our scan and cut pieces for our block of the month applique. And a little dollop of the filling. It should probably be red, white, and blue, but I decided to do something a little bit different. And this is the simplest one of all. We just set our iron down and iron everything down. I shouldn't be moving my iron around. I tell you guys, don't do that often enough. So everything is ironed down. We're going to go over to the sewing machine and do our quick little stitch around it. And be sure to stay for the end of the video because I've got a surprise for you guys that you're going to like. Okay, here we are at the sewing machine. And I'm going to start at the back, which is going to be the pie crust right there. Stop on the outside. And I'm not going to make you watch all of this and, you know, so you can just see it. And there's our block all sewn up. Let's add our country name to it. And don't leave quite yet. I do have one more thing coming for you guys. Instead of just giving you a reveal of this block, I'm going to show you the whole quilt put together. I'll be right back.